In this session of this training, I'll be teaching you how to use TikTok videos as your wallpaper. So first of all, you go to your Play Store. That's the Play Store down here. You go to your Play Store, search for TikTok wallpaper. Search for TikTok wallpaper. It will show you this app. Look here, TikTok video wallpaper, right? I already have it on my phone, okay? So it's already installed. So now I will go to TikTok app. So when I open my TikTok app, I will see lots of videos there that I can use as my wallpaper, right? So this is how to do it. You basically go down here, click on this share button down here. You scroll. You see this place they wrote set as wallpaper. You can go ahead to click on set as wallpaper, right? It is going to download and take you here. Because you already have the app on your phone, you just click set as wallpaper.
With Android,
it will become your wallpaper. So let's go back to my phone. Look at my phone screen now. It's my wallpaper. The video there is my wallpaper. So look at it. It's just there transiting. Okay. So, but if you would like to get good wallpapers from TikTok wallpapers that are already on TikTok that are very nice, you can just open your TikTok app again. Go to your search button up here. Search for live wallpaper. Yes. Search for live wallpaper. There are lots of wallpapers here. Look at them. There are lots of wallpapers there. There are lots of them. So this was the one I used before, right? So I can just go ahead here. I'll go down here, click on share button, go down to click on set as wallpaper. I'll now click set as wallpaper. It will set. So I'll go back. Look at my screen. It's already set. So the video will just be playing there. Okay. But then if I need sound to be on my video, if I need sound to be on this video, I'll just go back to the app I downloaded, that TikTok video wallpaper. So this is it here. When I open it, I can come here, increase the sound. Okay. If I also want to activate it in such a way that anytime I want the video to pause, so it won't be playing live, I can click here and activate it. So when I activate it, I can just double tap it to pause. But now let's check out the sound. So if you can see it now, you hear that the sound is playing, right? So this is just how to make your TikTok videos your wallpaper. You can even use your own video or your picture anyhow you want to do it. Okay. So thanks.